Hey guys, today we're going to learn about the SCP command. It is used to transfer files to and from remote hosts over the Secure Shell protocol. Now, if you want to SCP, SCP is so SSH gets you a shell on the host. SCP is used for transferring files over the SSH protocol. So, you can say SCP data1.txt and specify the IP address or host name you want to copy that to. So yeah, you could, for example, use this, paste, and then you're going to specify where you want to copy it to, like home user1, or you can copy it to var temp, wherever you want to copy it. You basically, the source, destination. Now the source could be a file on your current system, then the host name of the remote system, and the directory you want to place it in. Now, if you want to pull something off the remote system, you're going to have to specify the actual file name, like the file name on the remote system. If you want to pull it off the remote system, you specify the remote system first, and then your say your current directory, like dot, or maybe you want to put it in var log on your current system. That doesn't make sense to do that, but you could do that if you wanted to. That's how you'd SCP something to your current system. So you pull it off of the remote system. So the source is the remote system. You specify the file you want to your current system. Now, if you can also copy things between different hosts. Like, let's say if there was a Banyan2, you say Banyan2 var temp output.log. So you can copy from this host with this path to this host and place it in this path. So even if I'm not even on either of these two hosts, I can SCP files between those two hosts. So then you can, I already showed you, you can specify a username similar to how you can with the SSH command. Same deal, specify a username if you like. So you can also specify, so the other important thing to do is to, so you can specify a key with -i.ssh and whatever key you have, just like that. Same as the SSH command, you can specify a key with the SCP command. Now, another useful thing to do, if you are copying a directory, instead of copying, like if you're from a remote host, if you want to copy this entire directory, or maybe it's like var data1, right? So if you want to copy a directory from a remote host to, say, for example, your current directory, you want to just copy this data directory, the whole directory to where you currently are, you're going to need a -r for recursive. So scp-r, the whatever you want to copy to wherever you want to copy it to. Or you might be copying like something from your local host to the remote host, like that, right? Like that, basically. So you could do that as well, but yeah, that's basically all the important stuff you need to know for the SCP command. So let me actually show you how this works, just to see. So all right, let's say SCP test1.txt to Banyan1 home user1. So let's just SCP this file. And there you go. It transferred almost instantly because it's a tiny file. We SCP'd that file over to the remote host. So hopefully you found this useful, if not just interesting. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you know something I don't know, or any comments, questions, criticisms, anything you want to say. I want to hear it, but also definitely hit the subscribe button because we have a lot of other great tech content you just don't want to miss out on. So definitely hit the subscribe button. We do like coding, Linux, servers, hardware, software, electronics, networking, all sorts of great stuff, robots. Don't miss out on that. Definitely hit the subscribe button and also hit the little bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube won't give you notifications when new videos get posted. And also check out the list of videos we've already published. We have a ton of great content out there already, so definitely check that out. And that's about it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.